So hey guys, this is Jayant and welcome to the channel. So today we are talking about Reliance e-commerce business and how they are starting up a e-commerce business in India. So let's get started. Roll the intro. So Mukesh Ambani revealed that he is going to start an e-commerce business in January 2019 and now it is almost June 2020 and still we are just hearing rumors about Reliance e-commerce business. So what I've gathered some information I will share with you guys. So watch the video till the end. So Reliance is found partnering with small vendors and small retailers in Mumbai, Bangalore and Gujarat because they need to work very hard to build a supply chain and to build inventory to compete with Amazon and Flipkart, because Amazon and Flipkart have their own inventory and a great supply chain. So that's why Amazon can deliver a product to your house within 24 hours. So Reliance would need to work very hard to build a strong supply chain to deliver products to your houses. So Reliance has lot of funds to give you new exciting offers to attract customers when they will start an online business. So when the Jio was launched, they were giving free 1 GB internet per day to everyone. So now they might bring an exciting offer when they will unveil their e-commerce business. So let's hope for the best, and they might be starting free shipping to your home, and they have also promised shipping within 5 hours. Tata also had launched its e-commerce business named Click in 2006, but it couldn't make much market share in India. So now let's see what Reliance has to offer us, because it will be very much difficult to compete with this big e-commerce giants such as Flipkart and Amazon and to start a successful online business in India. Also, the main advantage to Reliance is that they have their main shops in offline such as Reliance malls and all, and the main thing is they have Brahmastra called Jio, which has around 300 million subscribers in India. So they can track you and your shopping behavior because you are using their internet and apply in their business. So the main advantages to Reliance is that they have two main factors to expand their business, which is Reliance Malls and Jio, which has around 300 million users in India. So as per the new government regulations, a non-Indian company cannot start an inventory or cannot sell exclusive products to their site, which what Amazon was doing till date. So now Amazon can't sell exclusive products or build their own inventory in India. But the good thing is Reliance is an Indian company and it can avail all these features given by government. Also to tell you, Flipkart is no more an Indian company because it is captured because most of the shares are captured by Walmart. So it is not an Indian company. Also Reliance has promised to deliver grocery service also. So let's see how they tackle with this challenge. Also I think they might partner with Swiggy or Zomato because they have strong market chain in almost all the cities of India. So now let's see what Reliance does. Also when Reliance will launch its website, they have promised to apply augmented reality. So if you want to buy a TV, you can use the VR and see how the TV sits in your living room. And Amazon also provides this feature, but it is only available in US. Also Amazon and Flipkart deliver products to the local customers, but Alibaba or AliExpress also delivers product to the local customers, but they also sell products to the sellers in wholesale. So Reliance will be like AliExpress. It will try to sell products to the local customers also, and also to the local retailers and local shopkeepers in India, so they can get products at cheaper price. Also Mr. Mukesh Ambani talked about data colonization. If you don't know what it is, as you know, there have been data leaked from Facebook, and all the Indian users who are using the internet, the data has been stored in US. So if you are watching this YouTube video or using WhatsApp, all your data is stored in the servers of other country. So he might launch his own company to save all the Indian data. So he said in his speech that the data of the Indian user should be in India, or it should be saved in a server owned by a Indian company. So he might launch a hosting service or a web servers in India to save the data of Indian users. So let's see what he does. Also, I'm waiting for mind-blowing offers when the Reliance e-commerce will come in the market, and let's see how it captures the Indian market share. So that was the video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and like and share this video with your friends. Also tell me if you want such business related videos or only tech videos, so I will adjust my video making topics as per your suggestions. Also subscribe and click the bell icon, and this is Jayan signing off. I will catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye, peace.